Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Southern Savers. We are back with a second video, and this time it's for curbside only, guys. But guys, check this out. We're gonna give over $58 worth of items for free, guys. This is an amazing curbside deal if you don't feel like going into the store, guys. So you can definitely pick up these items if your store is in stock. But before we get into these amazing deals, guys, make sure you are liking this video. I am new to the YouTube world, guys. This is only my second video, so definitely like and subscribe, because I will be posting weekly amazing deals, guys. So I'm not going to keep you any longer, guys. Let's get into these deals. So for my newbies, if you never did a pickup order for Walgreens, all you gotta do is follow these directions. You're gonna clip the items that I say, and we're gonna check out. So first, everyone should got this spin booster right here. When you spend over $40 worth of items, you will earn $10 back. So clip this, guys. Another important reminder, guys, when we're doing curbside pickup, you want to make sure when you go into the store, you grab a paper receipt. And the way to do this is to go in your app and look in your settings, guys. So we're going to go to the home page, and we're going to click this icon on the right. It's going to take us to this page. You're going to hit notifications and settings, and we're going to hit email, guys. And you're going to make sure that where it says digital receipts only, make sure it is turned off. That's the way you're going to get your paper receipts when you go into the store, guys. So now that we got that out the way, let's get back into these deals, guys. We're going to pick up 2 Dove shampoos or conditioner priced at $4.99, but they are a BOGO this week also, guys. And we're going to clip this $5 off of 2. Next, we're going to pick up 2 of these L'Oreal Paris waterproof mascaras priced at $10.99, but they are also BOGO this week. Pick up 2 of them, guys. And we're going to clip this $10 off of 2 L'Oreal Paris products. And we also going to clip this $2 off of my Walgreens coupon. So these are stackable coupons because one is a manufacturing coupon and the other one is a store coupon. So next we're going to pick up one of these Blink items for contact lenses. These are priced at $7.99. And we're going to clip this $3 off of one, and we're also going to clip this $4 off. Again, this is a store coupon. Next, we're going to pick up one of these Crest Complete 3-in-1 white and liquid gel toothpaste priced at $3.50. And we got a $2 off coupon to use. Next, we're going to pick up one of these Finish Jet Dry dishwasher rinsed Asian, guys. These are priced at $4.99, and we have a $3 off one coupon. And guys, go into your Rebate account and clip this rebate for $1 back on this item, so we can submit our paper receipt for this rebate, guys. Next, we're going to pick up 3 Maybelline The Great Lash mascaras. We're going to pick up 3 of them, guys, priced at $6. And we do have this high value coupon for $10 off. Now, guys, when we get to checkout, you want to put in the promo code MNY4. This would take an additional $4 off because we bought 3 of the Maybelline cosmetics. So guys, when you get to checkout, it should look something like this, guys. The total of items is $58.44, guys. But look at the total savings. We're saving a total of $61.76. So guys, let's subtract our subtotal from our promo codes, which is $10, and our manufacturing coupons, which is $33. So we're going to pay a total of $15.44 before tax. So when we total up everything, we don't include tax because everybody's tax is different, guys. So guys, if you look at the bottom, we're going to get back a total of $15.58 back, guys, which includes $10 for spending over $40 and also that $5 for buying 2 of the Dove products. And Walgreens always gives us an additional 5% back. But guys, we're going to submit our receipt to the Ibotta app for $1 back and also the Fetch app, where we're going to get back 50 cents for each of the Dove products. And guys, if you haven't signed up to these amazing rebate apps yet, I will have a link in my description, along with the codes that you could use when you sign up to save additional money, guys. So after everything is said and done, our funnel cost is free plus a $2.14 money maker.